This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning raw produce into concentrated flavor. Chop 500 grams tomatoes, 1 onion and 2 cloves garlic. Sauté or roast until softened and slightly caramelized. This builds sweetness and depth. Once done, blend to a smooth puree so water disperses evenly during drying. Strain seeds if you want a silkier powder. Make sure to season lightly with 1 tsp salt now, because salt concentrates as moisture leaves, and that prevents bland final powder. You control texture during dehydration. Spread puree thinly on dehydrator trays or a baking sheet. Set 60-90 degrees Celsius and dry until brittle. This may take 6-12 hours depending on thickness and humidity. Once fully dry, break into flakes and pulse in a spice grinder to a fine, even powder. Pause to avoid overheating, because heat alters color and aroma. Then sift through a 60-80 mesh. Reprocess any coarse remnants so your powder pours, and dissolve. You finish by stabilizing and storing the powder. Blend in 1-2% maltodextrin or rice starch to prevent clumping and to carry flavor. This keeps powder free-flowing. Transfer to airtight glass jars with a small desiccant packet. Store in a cool, dark place to protect color and aroma. If your mix clumps later, make sure it was fully dry, rehydrate and re-dry thinly, or add 0.51% more anti-caking agent. That fixes moisture and flow problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.